I got the package today. Very excited about this. Painteco. They sent me some catalog. Here you can have a good idea about the product. So I ordered some hard wax oil and I order tinted hard wax oil, dark oak, and they put me some samples and all of this. Just like, look what we have here. Goose. I don't know what this is. Some stain maybe. Hard wax oil. Hard wax oil. Different colors. Here's stain. Paint. Okay, let's paint differently. Terrace stain. Okay. Pine tar oil. Okay, here more hard wax oil. Paint. Stain. Stain. Hard wax oil. Stain. Terrace stain. We have two. Hard wax oil. Stain. Paint. Hard wax oil. Pine tar oil. Okay. Hard wax oil. Some linseed oil. Paint. Hard wax oil. Paint. Stain. Boiled linseed oil. Here we got some more paint. Here we have stain. Again, paint. Hard wax top coat. Okay. That's it. So we have a lot of stuff to try out. I really interested in this part. We'll try everything. Like, I have maybe some base for some tea candles. So I try to stain these. Maybe first do some samples, look like how it look.